Welcome back to your video tutorials, day number 15, exercise 2. Okay, we're gonna continue practicing, practice creating charts. We're gonna open Unit D and then open EXD2. Okay, so here's my files, Unit D, and then we have EXD2. Okay, we are gonna use save as command and we're gonna save it as department to use software usage. Okay, now we click on file, use save as, computer, Excel files. As you can rename, okay, there you go. Department to software usage. Okay, we're gonna change the save as type and see. There you go. So this is a small table, okay, and again we're gonna be using, we are gonna go ahead and use, okay, we are gonna apply some charts here. Okay, we're gonna be using two different charts. Okay, now there's no formulas. That's fine. We just want to display two charts. Okay, so this time see we're gonna be selecting from A1. There's no totals through F6. Once we have that selected, we have the insert tab. Okay, you guys are gonna be using the recommended. Okay, here's one chart. Here's the second one. Okay, the first one see is going by department, accounting, marketing, etc. The second one is going by the type of program that is being used. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna be going with this option. Okay, and click on OK, and there's my chart. Okay, I'm gonna drag this chart up here. Chart title, we're gonna click into the chart title. One click is selected, another click is place insertion point inside. Now if we click 3 times, the text inside the text box is gonna be selected. Okay, now that our chart is being selected, we're gonna go ahead and apply a different name. Okay, so this is just gonna be software usage by department. Don't hit enter. You just hit enter, insertion point is just gonna move down and the text is gonna be out of it, it's gonna be resized. If you by mistake just click on enter, just use the backspace and there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna select the text box because if I go back to home, see, I could go ahead and apply bold to my text here. If I come back to the chart tool, design and format, see right here we have different styles. Maybe I wanna use one of these styles here. Okay, it's just been applied to the chart title. Okay, so there we are. Okay, now let's say that we wanna add some information on the left hand side. Okay, so my chart still selected. If we come back to design, we could use the add elements. Okay, now from here, how about if I say, okay, I want to add an axis. Okay, okay, but it's just removing my data that I already have. Okay, axis titles, chart title, no data labels, data table, no gridlines legend. Okay, or trend line. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do that, so let's go ahead and check the quick layout. See, the quick layout is also gonna change the view of your chart. Okay, and the good thing is that we have the live preview. So from there we could see, there it goes. See, the layout 7 is giving me the axis title. Okay, horizontal and vertical. So I'm gonna use that one. So here's the axis title, one click. It's gonna be selected. Now 1, 2, 3 clicks. It's gonna select the contents. And I'm just gonna type in, okay, um, something here. Okay, so that's gonna be, okay, I'm gonna type in number of users. Okay, and then right now here, the axis title, one click, there's the text box. 3 clicks is gonna select the content. Okay, and I'm gonna type in software. Okay, now in this case, I would like to have a chart title. Okay, now I'm gonna come back to add elements, and here's the chart title. Okay, so I'm just gonna select above chart. There's the text box. Now 1, 2, 3 clicks. Okay, and then I'm gonna again, okay, because I lost it when we change to different layout. Okay, basically we lost it because I wanted to add this to the vertical and horizontal axis. Okay, so there it goes. Now software usage by department. There you go. And I'm gonna click into that. Back to format. Remember that we use one of these options. There you go. Okay. Now, let me see. Okay, if we come back to design, there's quite a different designs here. Okay, and you guys may want to choose. So I'm just gonna go with this one, style 8. That's really gonna stand out my chart. There you go. Okay. Now this data right here. Okay. Again, I'm gonna highlight them. Okay. But this is gonna be a problem. Remember that on the other video we said that we can't use a chart into multiples. Okay. Now let's see how this works. Okay. See, it's just giving me. Let me go ahead and drag this to the side. See, it's just giving me the data for Excel. Accounting, etc., etc. So in this case, if I use a chart, I mean the pie chart, see, I'm gonna have to create one for Excel, one for Word, PowerPoint, etc., etc. Okay, now that I have it created, I'm gonna say, okay, I wanna change it. So from the pie, I'm gonna be using something else. Okay, I'm gonna be using the bars. Okay, so here's the bars. I'm gonna click into it, click on OK, and there's my bars. Now, as you guys can see, let me go ahead and move this other, and here's my other one. At this time I'm using bars. Okay, and there you go. If we come back to, no, still on the under design, if I click into this particular style, there's my chart. Okay, it's gonna be easier to read. Now here's the title bar, chart item, sorry. Okay, and then I'm just gonna type in, okay, again, software usage by department. There. Okay. Now just to make it look a little bit better, okay, this data, I'm going to go ahead and format that as a table. Okay, there we are. Okay, I'm just going to have to resize my columns a little bit. And there, we have two different charts. Okay, and we also convert our data into a table. Okay, make sure that you guys click on OK. And that was practice with charts. Day number 2. Okay, on this day number 2, Here we create a chart, move, resize, we change the chart design, the layout, we format the chart, and create a pie chart, but the pie chart it didn't work. So right here we use, see, the horizontal bar chart. Okay, well, thank you. Thank you for watching, and until the next video tutorial. You guys have a great day.